Hi, boss. It's me again. I found another one too. I'm going to show you, okay? I'm outside in public, so I can do that. So that car over here, they're up to no good. Why? Because look, I told you already. Look. Look at this piece of shit. Unprofessional motherfuckers. No, you want the license plate too? Okay. Let's see. Is it there? You get it? Let me step back. There. You separate. There. Okay. That's that. And it's parked right here. Right by my house. And that shit hurt my body. You want to see what's in there? There. I don't know, but look. So, that's that. They don't have a license plate in the front either. So they should get in trouble for that. A truck like that? Look at that! They have it over there. Look, they should put it here. But anyhow, long story short, I'm going in the house. I'm going in the house. This is my house right here. And this is the stupid truck. And that's the stupid neighbor. And that's my house here. Okay. I'm going in the house now, okay? There's my little chair. I smoke here in the morning. Look. Okay.